How to fix space on Twitter app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video I'll show you guys how can you fix space on Twitter app. So if you're having issue with your Twitter application, and in order to free up space on Twitter app, the most effective way or the method is to clear your cache or clear your app's cache, so which removes temporary data like images and video storage by the app, allowing you to reclaim storage space on your device. In order to do it, so what you could do is you could either go to the settings and go to apps and then select Twitter, or else you could just go ahead and long press the Twitter application. Then you want to go ahead and click on app info icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. After which you want to go to storage and cache and make sure to clear cache and clear storage. Once you do it, so you'll be logged out of your account, and then you could go ahead and re-log in, and that should be able to solve your issue. And likewise, at the same time, what else you could also do is you could also try deleting all direct messages from the Twitter application itself. You could also go ahead and review your likes and following, so unfollow accounts you no longer engage with, to reduce the amount of content appearing on your timeline as well. You could also turn off media autoplay in the application itself. You could also try reinstalling the Twitter application. That should be able to fix it. So these are some of the ways to clear up or free up space on your Twitter app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.